To configure and define the collection settings for a database agent, log into the Foglight web console with the Foglight user and click on Databases. Select a row of checkboxes beside one or more of the agents. Click Settings and then Administration. Select the Collections area. The Foglight database agents collect and store data at all times, even when the browser window that displays the data is not active. Users can use the collection frequency view to specify which collections are sampled and stored, the data collection values when sampling is carried in offline, online, or real-time frequency modes, and the collection frequency. When a user is currently focusing on a screen, the sampling frequency for all of the collections associated with the screen switches to real-time. The collection frequency determines the sampling frequencies of all of the other collections, that is, the collections that are not running in real-time mode. The available collection frequencies are low for all collections running in offline mode, regardless of whether a client is connected. Normal for when the collections are running in online, offline, or real-time, and will adjust dynamically to the client's connection status, whether it's disconnected, connected, or focusing on a screen. High has all of the collections running in online mode, regardless of whether or not a client is connected. The query timeout for on-demand collection setting defines the number of seconds that a query for on-demand collections can run before it times out. On-demand collections are collections whose data is retrieved not by predefined time intervals, but upon entering a screen and clicking on a button. The collections table includes the following columns. Collection enabled indicates whether the selected collections are sampled and stored. Collection name is the name of the collection, and the list is sorted in alphabetical order. Offline frequency in seconds allows for the defining of the collection interval in seconds in offline mode, for example 300. Offline frequency refers to the longest interval possible for sampling the monitored instance. Online frequency in seconds allows for the defining of the collection interval in seconds in online mode, for example 60. Real-time frequency in seconds allows for the defining of the collection interval in seconds in real-time mode, for example 20. Only one collection can be sampled at a real-time frequency in any given moment. Query timeout in seconds is the amount of time in seconds that elapses before query times out. It is important to note that when a browser window that displays the Foglight for database is active, the collection frequency mode in the active screen, for example the indexes page in the database's drill down, switches to the fastest frequency possible, once for every 20 seconds. To modify the values of a specific collection, select the collections row in the table. Click Edit. The Edit Collection dialog box appears. Select whether to enable the collection and storage of the selected collection. Set the collection interval in seconds in the offline frequency mode if available. Set the collection interval in seconds in the online frequency mode if available. Set the collection interval in seconds in the real-time frequency mode. Set the query timeout in seconds. Click Set to apply these changes or Cancel to reject them. Click the Save Changes button to save the changes to the system.